When you look at this picture, what's the first thing you notice? If you said missing tooth, it just goes to show that the first thing people notice about you is your smile, even though this guy is clearly missing an eyebrow. Whether you were born congenitally missing teeth or you lost teeth in an accident, there are real emotional consequences of missing teeth. There is a very easy way to fill the gap aesthetically to create a seamless smile and restore your confidence without undergoing any surgeries or expensive treatments. A flipper or a one-to-tooth partial denture is a removable device that is easy to put on and take off. And these days, they are so real looking that you can truly change your smile without any commitment. Although it's such a simple treatment, at the dentist's office, it costs around $1,500 to make a flipper, and insurances don't cover it. A very affordable alternative for those that need a partial denture without even having to go to the dentist's office is ResetSmile. This is a service that creates removable partial dentures at less than half the cost of what you'd pay at the dentist's office. They are dentist-prescribed, custom-fabricated partial dentures that are 3D printed using Valglass, which is the same high-quality material that has been used by dentists for more than 70 years. And these come out as a perfect match to your teeth, without ever leaving your house. This is 100% safe. A licensed dentist reviews and approves your case and your ResetSmile device, and if the fit isn't perfect, they will adjust it for you hassle-free with their 30-day smile guarantee until the fit is perfect. No need for in-office visits. The whole process from start to finish takes about 4 weeks, and at such an affordable price, it's really a no-brainer. Visit www.resetsmile.com to learn more and get started.